Let me introduce you to Vista Azul XXXVIII Monte selection. A set of brand new build residential apartments in Pilar De La Horadada. It's modern, welcoming, and offers something for everyone with 3 different styles of homes all in one place. You can choose from a 3-bedroom townhouse with 2 bathrooms, your own garden, and a sunny rooftop terrace. Or a 3-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms that can come with either a ground floor private garden or a top floor with a solarium. Every home is finished to a high standard of workmanship. The modern fitted kitchens is complete with quality appliances, pre-installed air conditioning, and an energy-efficient aerothermal system for hot water and heating. And if you go for a penthouse or top floor apartments, your solarium comes with an outside summer kitchen, which includes a mini fridge, storage, and even an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. Perfect for making the most of those sunny Mediterranean days. Around the community, you'll find a large pool with plenty of room for everyone. The perfect place to get your suntan, cool off in the hot sunny days, and to relax with friends. The communal area has landscaped gardens and a children's play area, so you'll know your children can play in safety. There is also private parking areas with electric vehicle charging. The location is fantastic. You are only 4 minutes from the gorgeous beaches at Pilar De La Horadada. You have all the services you need close by with great transport links. It's the perfect spot for enjoying the relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle with every modern comfort.
Thinking about buying a home in Spain? At Spanish Prime Property, we make it easy. We're your one-stop shop, from finding your dream place on the Costa Blanca to helping with visas, mortgages, legal advice, currency exchange, even moving your pets. You'll get one dedicated English agent who will guide you every step of the way. We've all been through the move ourselves, so we understand, and we're here to make it simple, stress-free, and exciting. So make your dream a reality with Spanish Prime Property.